Welcome back in the jungle. Today we are going to talk about how we can work within our organization and disrupt that algorithmic lock-in that we're talking about. It turns out there is something that always happens when change happens in society, in an organization, anywhere. And that is the job of the leader. And it is a surprising thing that the leader has to do. And I'm going to explain that cycle so you understand, but before that, I will tell you what the leader has to do. The main job of the leader is to dream. The job of the leader is to dream up a new future, a new reality, and then turn that into a story. And that story then turns into emotional shift for the people in their organization, in their ecosystem, whatever you want to shift. Because emotional shift then turns into an action shift for these people. You behave differently if you feel differently. And an action within the organization, the new action within the organization, means that you target or retarget or unlock resources in a new way, in a way towards implementing the story. And when you implement the story, you're on the way to creating the dream. So I've drawn this up for you to show that again. It starts with a dream that turns into a story, that creates an emotional shift, that creates an action shift. Action shift unlocks and redirects resources towards implementation of the story. And when we unlock that cycle, then we can unlock truly disruptive innovation within an organization. We can reshape the way the organization works. There are beautiful ways of coming up with the dreams and coming up with the story. There are beautiful ways of helping people with their emotional and action shift. What Jungle is all about is helping you with the implementation part within the organization. So your job as a leader is to dream and explain the story. And when that shift happens, that's where Jungle comes in to help you and help your people to implement your dream and your story. So this is the final step of the introduction to understand what we are actually talking about when we talk about Jungle. In the next couple of videos, I will talk about the building blocks of what we use to create Jungle before we actually go into how Jungle functions. See you next time.